This is gonna blow your mind. I will show you how to start your day with a simple, calming meditation. Find a quiet spot and sit comfortably. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, and slowly breathe out. Feel the tension melting away with each exhale. Now, focus on your breath. Just observe it without trying to change it. Inhale and exhale. Allow your mind to settle. Imagine a warm golden light surrounding you, filling you with calm and positivity. Let this light flow through your body, relaxing every muscle. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You're now centered, grounded, and ready to embrace the day. Remember, meditation is a practice, and you're doing great. Namaste.